This is a demo of the Hololens application. So if you go ahead and go into application and click on the Holopopper, it'll start the application. And then the first thing it'll ask you is to select the CSV folder. This is where we store the CSV files, so that it's not needing to be device storage, but currently we store it in the downloads folder. So if I click on the file locator, it'll default to the downloads folder, and I can select the example CSV that we have for this demo. Now this CSV file holds many tray BIDs, so they're based on these SKUs. And so once I go into this QR code and select it, it will pull up the virtual tray, which I have rotated here. So this is a good example of showing how it can reposition the data. And there you go. So if you move the tray, it'll actually reposition it and showcase it virtually over the tray accurately. Now it's asking me to please scan the destination tray where these items are going. So I scan that QR code, and once it recognizes it, I can use my clicker to select, which I'm currently using an Xbox controller, and it will show the destination tray. And so now, to go through the process, it's showing me all the advanceable plants, and it's all using eye tracking. So if I look at A1, you can see how it's highlighted with a white outline. If I want to select it, click on A, and it will select it. So if I look at A1, A2, A3, and then if I can look at A4, C4, and you'll see that it's using my eye tracking to be able to look at these properly. So if I want to go through the tray as currently, I would look at A1, and I would select it with my clicker, and then I'd move that over to the destination tray. Similarly with A2 and A3 here. Once I meet my quota and I go to next, it'll ask me why I want to discard B2. Why did I not use that advanced plant? And so within the text box, I can type in my answer, hit confirm, and then I'll be able to submit my data. And it'll actually run through all the different plants that I skipped before saving the data there. So I'll go through these discard channels since I didn't select all of them. And this is also a review of the tray. So the ones that I didn't select are marked as discards now. And then once you're done confirming why all of the advanced plants did not go through, you can then save the CSV file down to the downloads folder for future use.